The kingdom of heaven is not far away. It lives within us. The kingdom of heaven is not far away. It lives within us. I searched across the world for something to complete me. In love and places and people, trying to find what was already breathing in me. But in the silence of my soul, a sacred voice appeared, whispering softly, the kingdom has always been here. Beyond the fear, beyond the mind, because heaven was never a place, it was consciousness flowering. And every soul remembers when the heart becomes still, that God has always spoken through the silence within. Close your eyes, feel the divine. The universe is breathing inside your life. No separation, no fear to defend, only love returning back to itself again. The kingdom of heaven lives inside us all, a living ocean of light, inside.